Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are discussing about virtual data room. A virtual data room or data room is a cloud solution specially made for the secure storing and sharing of confidential business information. Data rooms offer specific set of features such as advanced permission, question answer tool, notes and bookmarks, as well as multiple factors authentication and watermarking. Although virtual data rooms are traditionally employed for financial transactions, IPOs, and real estate assets lifecycle management. Their use cases have been expanding over the past decade. Potentially, any business concerned with the secure and specialized management of its documentation can turn towards data rooms. Today, many providers like Drooms offering a SaaS solution are increasingly building machine learning technology into their software, thereby enlarging their offer to include tools such as automatic document translation, finding management, and automatic red flag analysis. Guys, we are discussing another topic which is what to consider when choosing a data room provider. A data room is a place to store confidential business documents. The concept has now moved online. Virtual data rooms are now the norm and increasingly replacing the need for physical data rooms. As the name suggests, a virtual data room is a place to store sensitive documents. The virtual elements come from it being accessible from anywhere as long as there is an internet connection. Companies that need to carry out due diligence and manage assets throughout their life cycle typically use virtual data rooms. It also useful when entering into a variety of collaboration between business stakeholders. Some example of this include M&A or joint venture investments, but also executive communication between board members, patenting and licensing. Essentially, a data room will act as leverage in all sort of project that require secure and professional document storage, management and sharing. Finding a suitable data room provider is crucial for the success of a project. By focusing on the right provider, you add a layer of security to your confidential business document. It also significantly contributes towards the success of the corporation or transaction. Third topic: what functionality should a data room have? The overall concept and functionality of different data rooms may be similar to each other. However, each provider and data room have functions that fit specific use cases. Each user will also come with their own expectations and needs, and therefore it can be impossible to pin down what the most important features of a virtual data room are. It really depends on the project and the user. Nevertheless, virtual data rooms have a core functionality which is the easy and secure upload, saving and management of multiple files. The files can range from documents to business letters and diagrams. All sort of information transfer can take place in a data room. The important thing is that this happens smoothly and safely. It also about the use If the virtual data rooms come with simple and easy to understand workflows, the user experience will be positive. This, in turn, will play an important part in the success of the negotiation. If the setup in the data rooms doesn't have an initiative and easy feel, the project participants will need to put more effort into uploading, saving, and managing the files. This can hinder and slow down the project flow. Now we are discussing how much does a virtual data room cost. The cost of a virtual data rooms varies greatly depending on the provider. Assessing accessing a free trial for up to 30 days make testing the product and taking a better decision on the data room's suitability for a specific project possible. Many providers offer virtual data rooms with a monthly subscription fee and flexible notice period. Drooms is the only provider that makes buying a virtual data room 100% online possible via the Drooms Flex. Interested parties can open a small room for only 129 euro per month for 10 users. However, flat rates are also available. Some providers have personalized offer that take into account things like how much data was consumed in a month and how many users are operating in the data room as well as specific requirement. Now we are discussing what is the difference between a cloud storage and a virtual data room. There is one simple distinction between standard cloud storage and a virtual data room for uploading and sharing non-confidential documents. A regular cloud storage can be a more cost-effective solution. However, if you are dealing with sensitive information, you require complex right management and question answer features, uh, and if you are managing large amount of documentation, a virtual data room is the solution you need. The right data room provider is audited regularly and guarantees the maximum security in line with the highest security standard according to the ISO 27001 slash 213 2013 certification and the GDPR. Lastly, how do you find the right data room provider? Aside from the above criteria, you must also pay attention to the provider certificates. You want to use an accredited provider when dealing with sensitive information. Furthermore, software review platform like Capterra can be useful in finding what other users have said about various data rooms provider. There you will be able to evaluate the positive and negative aspect of the data room in question. You should also consider referrals, colleagues, and acquaintances might be able to share their experiences with the data room provider in a term of specific projects. This can help you better understand whether a specific provider is a suitable for your project. With the above in mind, you will be able to find the right data room for your confidential documents for the overall success of your project.